guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, in today's video, it's Friday and I just jumped off my leaders meeting inside my primary company, which is Builderall. And if you don't know what Builderall is, it is an all-in-one digital marketing platform, and I'm super stoked to be a part of their company. So anyway, on Fridays we have leaders meetings, and I just got out of it and we are just fresh off the close of a company-wide kind of like a competition. In this video I kind of want to just give you some of my progress of what's been going on, and I also want to really give some props to my peers. Because one of the things I love about Builderall is that we are such a positive, friendly, helpful, loving community. And honestly, I think that trickles down from our CEO, because our CEO is such a heart-driven person and he loves his family, and he just works tirelessly so that we're all happy, and the platform keeps growing. So anyway, so if you want to hear me ramble for about, I don't know, 10 minutes and give you my latest updates, then please keep on watching, because I'm going to share some really cool things with you. So yeah, keep on watching. Well, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you again so much for watching my videos. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys, it is Friday and I'm super stoked. I'm kind of tired. I've been working a lot, but it has all been totally worth it. So let me just keep you up to speed. So, if you are following Builderall, maybe you've been on the fence, maybe you're already in Builderall. Hey, how are you guys? Anyway, so we did a relaunch of Builderall. One thing I love about Builderall is that they're always improving. We are always improving. There's always something new coming down the pipeline in Builderall. And I don't know if you guys know this, maybe I've told you guys this, or maybe I haven't, but before I basically came home to raise my kids, I worked in the construction industry. I worked 8 years as an administrative assistant to the project manager in the field. Well, I had different jobs, but my main job, the one that I spent the most time in, was as an administrative assistant, and I wore hard hats and I wore boots and I had to go out in the field and all the whole 9 yards. That's right. It was really fun for me, and I'm the type of person that I love new things. I love when something new is coming down the pipeline. I struggle with the mundane and the routine and stuff like that. And one thing that I loved about working in construction is that every single day was different. Every single day there was something new. Every single day something was going on. A new wall was going up. A new piping was going in. A new something was going on. So there was a progressive realization of a goal happening right before your eyes. We basically laid the foundation for what was to become a building, and it took 3 years to build those buildings. It was a group of 4 buildings. It was actually a college campus that I was working for the general contractor. But that building, after 3 years, it became something. And so for me, it was very exciting to be a part of that, because it wasn't the same routine, boring stuff, which to me it just bores me, right? So Builderall is very, very similar, because every day is new. Every day there's something different. There's always something new coming down the pipeline. And if you're that type of person that gets bored easily, you would love Builderall, because there's always something new happening. So I'm so excited, because on, July 27th, we had this really big Builderall 2.0 relaunch where we added a bunch of things and we changed the back office. We brought in this whole funnel section and all this cool stuff, and so in celebration of this new, these new additions, there was kind of I hate to say competition because I don't feel like I'm competing against my peers, but it was just kind of like a challenge to, make as many sales as possible. And the end prize was like a $32,000 Mercedes Benz, right? So we've got some titans in our group, okay? And I just wanted to shout them out because another thing I love about Builderall, I love so many things about Builderall. Okay, let's be honest, right? But one of the things I love about Builderall, aside from the community, aside from the CEO, is I love my peers. I love my leaders, my leadership peers. I just love the people inside of Builderall. And so I am excited when one of my peers, freaking wins the prize, and he deserves it so much. So I just wanted to kind of like shout out to Liam James K. He is one of the top Builderall leaders, and I just wanted to shout him out because what he did. Liam, if you're watching, I don't know if Liam's gonna watch this video, but I just want to tell him directly that. Wait, here it is. I want to tell him directly. He said something on a webinar that really inspired me. And he said that he himself did not realize that he could make more sales than he actually thought. In other words, he thought he could only sell 100 licenses or maybe 200 licenses. And then he asked himself, well, maybe I can sell more, or maybe I can, if I push a little harder, or if the right idea comes to me, I can even do more than that. And I heard that little golden nugget and I was like, you're right. Am I holding myself back? Am I holding myself back from doing more? And I was like, okay, well, I love what Liam said, and it really, really made a dent in me. And I'm like, maybe I can do more. Because I was like, okay, I was in the 24th spot at the time. And I was like, well, I'd just love to be in the top 20, right? And then, lo and behold, I was in the top 20. And I was like, I wonder if I could actually get top 15. Let me try. And so I was like, okay. So the ideas started to come to me. And I was like, okay, what could I do? What could I do to, like bring in, more partners, but create so much value that, it would help me bring in more partners and I could actually go up, and I tell you the insider view, the insider thought process, so that you see it's not that we're super people. It's just that we're just kind of like, we're just, I guess, experimenting with what's possible and then asking ourselves questions. And then once you see, oh, wait a minute, that first thing was possible. Could the second thing be possible? Let me try. And then the ideas come and then we just take action on those ideas. And some of them work and some of them don't. You know what I mean? So it's not like this mystery. It's just about being courageous enough, I guess, to think, can I actually do it? And then actually trying. You know what I mean? That's really all it is. So anyway, so I got to 15 and I was like, I'd love to be in the top 10. Can I make it? And I was like, oh, I don't think I can make it. I don't think I can make it into top 10. There are some amazing people in the top 10. But if I'm in the top 20, I am happy. So whatever happens, happens. Okay? But I got this idea to just give more value. I'm super excited because I am holding a top producer content marketing strategy for all my new partners. If you guys are watching on October 4th, that is happening. I'm super excited to open up my business and share some of my content marketing strategies with you guys, because if you notice, a lot of the people who are at the top of the leaderboards in Builderall, they use content marketing as their main strategy. I just happen to use YouTube, okay? And most of the top people are also using YouTube. But the content marketing strategy that I'm going to teach, you can apply it to either video or blogging or whatever, okay? Content marketing is content marketing. All you have to do is pick your platform. So I was like, okay, I am going to gun for 10, but I don't think I'm going to make it because the people above me, they're just, killing it. So I'm like, I'll be happy in the top 20. So let's just see what happens, right? So I pushed a little harder, and let me tell you, I had this thought of like, just don't send out another email. Don't. It's too late in the game. It's not gonna work. Just whatever. And believe me, I looking back, I know there are things I could have done even more, like post on my Facebook wall, post in Facebook groups. But I guess I was just trying to get a feel for, if I take just a little bit more action, what is actually possible. So I kind of regret not doing some of the things, but I also got a really good feel for what was in my flow, what was in my wheelhouse, what was in my strength, and what was working. So anyway, long story short, I'm number 12. I'm number 12. I got number 12. So I'm excited. 12 out of thousands of affiliates. And guys, let me remind you, which is what I loved about Liam's story as well. A year ago, Liam was a newbie. He had no idea about internet marketing. He didn't have a brand. He didn't have any authority. He just had a dream. He had a goal, and he had freaking deep desire and passion, and he ran like heck and stumbled a lot along the way. And that's all I did too. Y'all know that, for 2.5 years, I was just stuck. I was doing client work, but I've had affiliate marketing track record before. I've won an award for affiliate. I've won an affiliate contest before, like number 1. And so I am an award winning affiliate marketer, but for 2.5 years, I kind of like threw up the white flag. I didn't feel, confident. I just wasn't in my flow, and I just went back to doing what I knew how to do, which was the design work, But I love affiliate marketing because it's so much fun. I love being able to bring in new people and meet new people and all that stuff. So anyway, okay, I'm rambling. Sorry, guys. Okay, so anyway, so that's the thing we have in common. It's not that we're like these super geniuses. It's just we're just, I guess, courageous enough or bold enough to take the actions, even if we might not get to the 10th spot. You know what I'm saying? So I did my best. I probably could have done better, but I am happy. I'm number 12 inside of the entire Builderall company, which is really, really cool. And I also want to shout out my personal sponsor, Chad Bartlett. I mean, he forgot about the contest. He just sponsors people by default, you know what I mean? Just by osmosis, he sponsors people. So I want to give him a shout out too, because he's been working super duper hard inside of Builderall. He is the new marketing director, and you know what? He's a cool guy. He really is. He's awesome, and I'm just so happy to be surrounded by such amazing people. Now, the third place is Marissa Romero. I don't know her personally, but I just want to shout her out too because it's the top 3. So congrats, Marissa. Anyway, so we had a top 50, and we had such amazing people inside of Builderall, and it was just awesome. It was awesome. So that's, one big update that I had to share with you. I mean, 6 months. In 6 months, I just took the ball and ran with it, but it's also because, I followed my formula, which I teach, by the way, in my Rise Branding Academy, which is totally free. You can check it out if you haven't taken it already. You can go ahead to go on over to www.risebrandingacademy.com. It's a 5-day how to sell without selling challenge, and I kind of walk you through the framework of what I do in my business. You know what I mean? Now, I have a question, and that is this. If you guys are interested in doing maybe a 4-week, it's going to be paid, right? I'm not going to break the bank though. I really just want to give people lots of value, but just get compensated for my time, right? But if I was to come out with some sort of 4-week, actual coaching version of my Rise Branding Academy, where week 1 we work on this, we lay a foundation, week 2 we do this, week 3 we do this, and week 4 we do that. Is that something that you'd be interested in? If you are, do me a favor and just like this video. Let me know. That'll give me an idea. That'll help me gauge, and maybe I'll get no likes and nobody wants to do it, and I'll just whatever. Okay, I'll email my list, but if you guys are interested in that, I would really consider putting something together so that we can work closely if you're not on my Builderall team, or even if you are on my Builderall team, because that's going to be something separate from the Builderall training, because it's more intensive. I have to put more attention to you personally in a group setting. So if you're even remotely interested, leave me a comment below, and that'll let me know, okay, if I should do that or not. So your feedback will be priceless. So anyway, guys, that's really all I wanted to share with you. If you are not inside Builderall and you would like to learn more, I have my links right below this video. Please go ahead and click those in the description box, and you can even activate a free 7-day trial and get a sneak peek of our back office, and then just check out the tools. Oh, and by the way, we're coming up with some new cool things. We are coming up with a new, easier to navigate visual dashboard that's going to be released on Monday. So excited about that. And for those of you wanting to know about the responsive builder, it's going to be re-released on Monday with major improvements. So that means that I'm gonna have to set aside some time and relearn kind of like the responsive builder, because since they tabled the responsive builder for a little bit, I just put all my focus into Pixel Perfect. I've mastered Pixel Perfect, but you know, I want to master the entire product, you know, so I am going to sit with the responsive builder after it launches again on Monday, and I will keep you posted. So I know that one of my new partners asked me about the responsive builder and if I would do a tutorial, and I will after I get re-familiar with the new responsive builder, because it's gone through an overhaul. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I do another upload. So guys, this is kind of more casual. I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them right below this video. And I want to just give a sincere thank you to everyone that partnered with me this week. I'm so excited. I've got so much in store for you. I'm so happy to work with you guys. I also want to let you guys know that I love my peers. I absolutely love my peers. My Builderall family is just amazing, and I just feel really blessed, I have to say. This is a great company. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Again, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and I will see you on another video. Have a great weekend. I'm going to take a couple days off to recuperate and recharge my battery. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.